In the car. Hey guys, we're back in the car trying to find Nerf guns. And here we're in a much expensive and different place. Do you agree with me, Mom, on the expensive place
No.
part?
No, it's Walmart. It's nice and cheap. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh yeah, I got Publix is the expensive place.
Publix is the expensive market.
But yeah, we're gonna head inside and check for some Nerf guns I'm gonna give to my cousins on Saturday. I'm gonna be recording a video of our Nerf fight. But yeah, see you inside. Now, if you haven't known, it's basically freezing everywhere. And in Miami, it's basically like 50 degrees. I'm wearing sweats, shoes, a long sleeve, and sweaters. Oh God, it's cold. We are now entering the land of Walmart. It's really big. But yeah, we're now entering. We are gonna start heading to the toys. Actually trying to find the Nerf guns. Yeah, say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Alright, Walmart is a lot of things. Walmart is a shop, a pharmacy, and a grocery store and all
put in together.
Yeah.
In one.
And like a garden store, which is over there, the garden area. Alright, oh yeah. Mom, why are we in the pharmacy? We were looking for Nerf guns. Oh. Seriously, we're already in the pharmacy. I wonder why the benches in the Walmart pharmacy are basically cheese graters for your butt. Like, basically a cheese grater without the knife areas. We're actually pretty comfortable. So far, we have a couple things in our cart. Like, these are the important things, and this I just saw, and I love double stuffed golden Oreos. I like the chocolate ones, but I also like the golden ones. So we got that so far in our cart. So now can we see toys, or you need a couple more things?
I see toilet paper over there.
Oh.
Here, wait here.
Okay.
If you want. Okay.
What are these?
Toilet bowl cleaners.
Oh.
To clean the toilet bowl.
They look weird. It smells nice over here. I wonder why.
Come on, don't get it. I wanted to get her like a tree, like one of
That's
these.
That's a happy cat. So, my mom has decided to buy catnip bubbles. It's bubbles that are actually catnip. And so my cat can get high and happy. Yeah. Please, the cops don't come to my house and arrest my cat because she's getting high off of bubbles. Just saying that for the cops. So, my mom went to go get some pants for me, and I'm over here stuck in the DVD and music section. Different kinds of DVDs. Oh, look, it's AC/DC. Oh, Christmas Boys to Men. Oh, hell yeah. Oh! Yeah, they have all kinds of stuff over here. And they have kids' movies and stuff. And then right next to the kids' movies is the adult movies. Wait, that's Vincent Vaughn. Haven't seen him both before. Oh, holy crap! It's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. Different all kinds of movies. Oh look, they have a Jumanji. It's the old one. That's cool. We have Terminator 2 Judgment Day. I have a lot of cool movies in here. I really hope I don't get copyrighted by any of these productions I'm showing. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get my mom, and we're gonna start heading to the toys section. We're not actually that far. If you look closely, but I don't think the camera can focus. Sign back there. It says toys. And you can see the bike area over there. God, I wish it would just focus. But yeah, the bike section is over there. We're gonna head to the toys. Now my mom's looking at clothes, so I just decided to check out all the corny ones. Like, in my defense, I was left supervised. Smell you later. My Monday shirt. Watch me. It's an emoji dabbing. Actually, the world does revolve around me. Dab, cat. Dab, if you met my family, you would understand. Epic hero skill. This dude is crushing it. I tried to act normal. Worst 10 minutes of my life. And lots of other very cringy shirt designs. Especially that one. Over here is where they have good shirts in the men's graphic tees. That it one. I mean, they have a couple plain shirts like the Superman ones, Batman ones. They do have a Suicide Squad one, which is over there. Chill one. The Bob Ross one. I may want that. I don't know. And there's that one. My dad would love that. It says, "Sorry, I didn't want to come. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come." And then Snapcat. That's kind of cringy. But that one is me. I'm not arguing. I'm just explaining what I'm right. That's definitely me. And I don't give a. Oh. I get it. Yeah. Is that bad that I get it? And that's a good one for like breast cancer day. And like other really good ones. Really want that Bob Ross t-shirt. The talent has arrived. Yeah, I doubt that. Now, Shirley, you think I'm not gonna give you your unicorn? Looky here, a unicorn. Huh? That's the unicorn I'm gonna get for Shirley. It's stubby.
And you're just gonna take one for Shirley and that's it? Everybody else, nothing?
Well, I mean, I can get another one for Melanie. I don't know. We're close to our main priority, Nerf guns. You can't tell that's a gun. It's a Pepsi Cola. Why is that a thing? Why is that a... Here we are. Now Walmart is good with Nerf guns. I'm gonna take a look. Alright guys, so we picked out some Nerf guns.
Use every day for online shopping, pay bills, travel, and more.
And this one is for my cousin. Retaliator. This one's for his little brother. Sharpfire. This one when me and my dad have Nerf fights, this one is for me. And this one is for my dad. Now you're probably saying, Sean, they're not Nerf branded. I know they're not. That doesn't mean they're crappy. Really cool. And Shirley, like I didn't forget you, I'm buying your unicorn. Now, this vlog's gonna be over. It was just a quick one showing me getting the supplies for the Nerf fight I'm having on Saturday with my cousins. And yeah, the next video is probably gonna be the Nerf fight on Saturday. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you guys Saturday. Wee!